Imagine buying 4 expensive solar panels expecting massive power output,
only to discover that your system is silently losing almost half of its energy every single day.
not because the sun is weak, not because the inverter is bad, but because the solar panels were wrongly combined. This is the hidden danger of mismatched solar panel connections. Many people think once the MC for connectors fit together,
The system will work perfectly. But solar panels do not behave based on physical appearance. They behave according to electrical characteristics, and when those characteristics are badly mismatched, losses begin immediately.
one of the worst combinations is connecting
Panels with very different current
ratings in series.
in a series connection, current does not add up. Instead, the entire string is forced to operate at the current of the weakest panel.
For example, imagine connecting a 550W solar panel with an operating current of 13 amps to a smaller 30W
Panel with an operating current of 8 amps.
electrically. The stronger panel is forced to reduce itself to 8 amps because current in series must remain
Equal throughout the string.
That means the 550W panel can no longer deliver its full power.
Instead of producing near its rated output,
It may lose between 30% to 40% of its usable energy depending on sunlight conditions and MPPT tracking behavior. Think about that for a moment.
you paid for 550 watts,
But your system may only use power closer to 330 or
350 watts effectively. The remaining energy potential is wasted simply because of a mismatch.
Now imagine this happening across multiple panels. The losses become enormous over months and years. Another dangerous mistake is connecting panels with very
Different voltages in parallel.
In parallel connections, voltage must remain nearly equal. If the difference becomes too large,
The higher voltage panel attempts to force electrical balance into the lower voltage panel group.
for example, connecting a 48 volts panel,
Directly in parallel with a 24 volts panel is
extremely poor practice.
the voltage imbalance can create instability,
Heating.
and severe efficiency reduction.
In some situations, losses can exceed 20% to 25%.
Especially during peak sunlight hours when the MPPT struggles to stabilize both panels.
Even worse, the stress placed on connectors
Charge controllers.
and cables may shorten the lifespan of the entire solar installation.
Then comes another silent killer, mixing old and new panels.
A solar panel naturally degrades with age. Most panels lose performance slowly every year.
A panel originally rated at 30W
May produce only 24OW,
or less after many years of exposure to heat.
moisture, and sunlight.
Now imagine pairing that aged panel with a brand new.
High efficiency 550W panel in the same string. The newer panel is forced to operate
Closer to the performance level of the older one. Depending on the degradation level,
total system losses may range from 10% to 35%. And this is the painful part many people do not realize. The losses are not always obvious immediately. The system may still power appliances. The inverter may still turn on.
the batteries may still charge.
But hidden underneath is continuous energy waste happening every single day. That wasted energy eventually becomes longer charging time, reduced battery performance,
Increased generator usage, higher electricity costs.
lower return on investment. Another major issue comes from mixing different solar technologies carelessly. Monocrystalline, polycrystalline,
And thin film panels all respond differently to temperature.
shading, and sunlight intensity. During cloudy weather or partial shading, one panel type may drop performance faster than another. This creates imbalance inside the array and confuses MPPT tracking.
Losses from technology mismatch can vary widely, but under difficult weather conditions, systems may lose another 10% to 20% efficiency compared to properly matched installations.
And when all these mismatches combine together, different wattage, different current, different voltage, different age, and different technology, the result can become disastrous. In badly designed systems, total performance loss can climb beyond 40%.
Imagine spending money on a 5 kilowatt
Solar setup but receiving performance
closer to a 3 kilowatt system because of poor panel combination.
This is why professional solar engineers always emphasize proper matching.
The safest and most efficient setup is still same panel brand, same wattage, same voltage, same current,
Same age, same technology.
because in solar engineering, balance is everything.
A solar system is like a football team.
If one player cannot keep up with the others, the entire team slows down. And in solar installations, that slowdown directly affects your money.
Your battery life and your overall power reliability.
So before connecting mismatched solar panels, remember this. A solar system does not reward guesswork, it rewards precision.